Nick, so you ain't fighting for my fucking kids, bitch. You go back again and fight for my kids? I'm gonna put Iris in the ass this time. You letting shit go too damn much.
It's the man, midnight.
Snoring like crazy. You alright, Papa? Which one she hit you?
Mr. Asthma, sleep apnea.